Hi, in this video we will see how to create a column chart using Power BI desktop. So for that, first look at the data, the sales data I have data of sales, product quantity, sales amount, salesman and state, right? You can quickly see the data that I have here. So I have one sales amount measure and quantity measure, and remaining are the dimension attributes where I have right product, salesman, state and date of sales. So we'll see how to create a stock column chart using this data. To do that, you just click on the stacked column chart in Power BI desktop, and here you notice that x-axis, y-axis, and legend all the properties that we have for a stacked column chart, right? So this time I will take uh, date in the x-axis, and I don't need a day, month, quarter. I only need a year. And x-axis I will take quantity. C, right? For each year how much quantity is generated. To enable the data labels, you can data points, you can go to this format visual section, and here you can enable this data label. So once you do that, you'll be able to see the number of quantity sold on a particular year, right? And you can also interchange this. Uh, you can put quantity sold in the tooltip and sales amount in the y-axis, etc. Right? Legend, I will take a state legend. See, so for each state, it is segregated with a color, right? Red color, green, light blue color, dark blue and a light blue color that I have, right, for each bar, right? This is how you can create a stocked column chart in the Power BI desktop. To apply more formatting techniques, here you can go to this format visual area, and you can explore all these options like x-axis, y-axis, legend properties, all the properties that you have for this particular chart, right? I hope this video is useful to you. So if you are first time visiting my channel, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.